The Ugly Duckling, Part 1. Once upon a time on a big farm, a mother duck sat on her nest. She had to keep her 6 eggs warm until they hatched. At last, the eggs began to crack. One by one, 5 yellow ducklings came out of the eggs. They shook their wings and said, "Quack, quack." Then, they walked gracefully. "Look at all of you," said Mother Duck with joy. "You are all so cute." She counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, dear. I should have 6 ducklings. Mother Duck was worried. But one large egg was still in the nest. It was a little stubborn. So, Mother Duck sat on her nest again and waited some more. The next day, the big egg cracked open. A shy duckling came out. He was not yellow. He was gray and bigger than others. But he was weak. And it walked with a funny wobble. The Ugly Duckling, Part 2. Each yellow duckling jumped into the river and swam behind Mother Duck. The Ugly Duckling jumped in and started to paddle, too. "I can swim, Mother," said the Ugly Duckling. He was proud. After swimming, the yellow ducklings started to play. They jumped and splashed in muddy puddles. They shook their muddy wings and they laughed and laughed. The Ugly Duckling tried to play with his brothers and sisters, too. "I can jump and shake my wings," exclaimed the Ugly Duckling. He was so happy. But the yellow ducklings yelled, "Go away!" The Ugly Duckling walked with his head down. He was sad. The Ugly Duckling went to his mom and said, "Mom, they don't want to play with me. Am I too ugly?" "You're different. You are not yellow but gray and brave." Mother Duck tried to calm him down. But he was not very pleased to hear it.
Setelah kalian membaca story for kids The Ugly Duckling part 1 dan part 2, selanjutnya pemahaman kalian akan diuji melalui listening test, yaitu kalian cocokkan suara dan kalimat yang tertera dalam tabel. Langkahnya adalah kalian klik audio yang ada di bawah, kemudian dengarkan, lalu cari kalimat yang sesuai yang kalian dengarkan dari audio tersebut. Kemudian tuliskan jawaban kalian pada tabel dengan judul answer dan tulis nomor audionya. Pada uji pemahaman berikutnya adalah mencari kata kerja bentuk kedua atau kata kerja bentuk lampau. Pada bagian ini kalian diberikan soal yang merupakan penggalan paragraf dari cerita The Ugly Duckling. Ada 2 kata kerja, yaitu kata kerja bentuk pertama dan kata kerja bentuk kedua atau kata kerja lampau. Pilih kata kerja yang tepat sehingga menjadi paragraf yang benar menurut penulisan English Grammar. Ini adalah uji pemahaman yang terakhir. Pada bagian ini kalian disuruh untuk melengkapi the missing words dari paragraf The Ugly Duckling. Seperti yang kalian lihat, ada 2 tabel pada soal tersebut. Tabel pertama adalah paragraf yang beberapa katanya hilang dalam kurung missing words. Tugas kalian adalah mencari kata yang hilang tersebut pada tabel kedua atau tabel sebelah kanan. Pilih kata kerja yang tepat untuk melengkapi the missing word atau kata yang hilang dalam paragraf. Terima kasih, selamat mengerjakan, dan semoga sukses. Good luck my students, don't forget praying before working. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.